दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। This appeal has been filed questioning the division bench judgment of Patna High Court in letters patent appeal number 1265 of 2017 dismissing the letters patent appeal of the appellant. Letters patent appeal was filed against the judgment of learned single judge by which writ petition filed by her late husband in which she was substituted after death of her husband was dismissed by learned single judge on the ground of lack of territorial jurisdiction. We have heard learned counsel for appellant. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that High Court committed error in dismissing the writ petition on the ground of lack of territorial jurisdiction. High Court of Judicature at Patna had territorial jurisdiction to entertain the writ petition. The part of cause of action had arisen within the territorial jurisdiction of Patna High Court. Late Shri B. N. Mishra was receiving pension from State Bank of India after his retirement in 2005. The earlier writ petition was filed on different cause of action where the substantial prayer was for refund of the amount illegally deducted, whereas this writ petition was on entirely different cause of action. Late Shri B. N. Mishra was receiving pension, which pension having been stopped from November 2013, the cause of action arose within the territorial jurisdiction of Patna High Court, and learned single judge as well as the division bench erred in dismissing the writ petition, relying on dismissal of earlier writ petition, whereas cause of action of both the writ petitions were different and could not have been dismissed on the ground of lack of territorial jurisdiction. Learned counsel for the respondent submits that the writ petition had rightly been dismissed on the ground of lack of territorial jurisdiction. He submits that late Shri B. N. Mishra, after dismissal of the writ petition, had filed writ petition in the Jharkhand High Court, which writ petition was still pending, and the writ petition could not have been entertained by Patna High Court. Learned counsel for the respondent does not dispute that part of cause of action arose in territorial jurisdiction of Patna High Court. The writ petition could not have been entertained at Patna, and the writ petition ought to have been prosecuted in the Jharkhand High Court. Learned counsel for the respondent submits that late Shri B. N. Mishra had served in Eastern Coal Fields Limited at West Bengal. It is submitted that he, having accepted the jurisdiction of the Jharkhand High Court, could not have filed writ petition at Patna High Court. The husband of the appellant had not opted for the coal mines pension scheme in 1998, but he opted for the scheme second time in the year 2002 after subsequent notification. The deductions made by Regional Provident Fund Commissioner was in accordance with Coal Mines Pension Scheme 1998. Earlier writ petition filed by petitioner having been dismissed by the Patna High Court on the ground of lack of territorial jurisdiction, and no appeal having been filed him, and the said judgment became final. The mere fact that both the letters were received at Darbhanga, the Patna High Court shall have no territorial jurisdiction to entertain the writ petition. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent also adopted the above submissions. Learned counsel for the parties have also placed reliance on various judgments of this court as well as judgment of Patna High Court, which shall be noticed while considering the submissions in detail. We may first notice the order of learned single judge dismissing the writ petition on the ground of lack of territorial jurisdiction. The judgment gives reasons for dismissing of the writ petition. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इसे अच्छे से किया होगा। मेहनत लगातार करते रहिए। आपसे मुलाकात करूंगा अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।